Hello, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. I haven't actually did a video in quite a while, so um, we're gonna do one here. Anyways, I got a Amazon unboxing. It's a CJRB Crag with a recoil lock. CJRB is the budget brand for artisan cutlery. I can't say it, but their Instagram is CJRB cutlery. Yeah, that. So I got this off of Amazon. It is another cleaver type style knife. So let's unbox it and take a look at it. The gray blue. Okay, well, didn't need that anyways. It's a gray blue knife. It has it's real smooth. It's a cleaver, like I said. Ooh, I almost slipped and cut myself. That would have been stupid. So there's what it looks like out of the box. This is why we wanted it, because it has this new style recoil lock that's supposed to be like a I guess you'd say like a Benchmade axis lock. There's underneath the grip scales there's a spring which makes it so you could, like, watch this. Yeah, it's pretty smooth, and this flipper, so you could just like this and just drop shut. So, or you can, let's see, I guess you can go like this and it won't fall. It'll catch on the flipper. And so there. Let's see, we got, it's supposed to have ceramic bearings in there. Centering, pretty good. Has like almost this looks brass accent around the pivot screw. Lanyard hole. It's a reversible pocket clip with looks like they're recessed so it won't get stuck in your pocket. Hourglass. I can't think of the name now. Standoffs, or what connects it together. It is not skeletonized. Oh, you probably can't see it, but there's like a little hole. You can see where the Omega spring slides back and forth. Yeah, I could see it. I'll try it. I'll see it. You might be able to see it. Oh yeah, I can see it kinda. Let's try it. Oh yeah, actually I can see the whole channel. I can see the channel now. So you can see the blade drop. That's cool. So it's supposed to be about 8 inches. Let's see what we got here. Drop this down. Bring it in a little bit. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think I said 8.5, so just a little over that. So that's that. 6 ounces. I didn't set up a scale, but that's what it's supposed to be. It's a flipper, obviously. I'm sitting there playing with the flipper. G10 blue, has pretty good grip. Like, it's not over aggressive, but it's not bad. Reversible pocket clip, which I already showed. You can flip it. Right now it's set up for tip up carry. So you'd have it in your pocket. Let's see what it would look like. Here's deep. Let's try using the box. So if it was in your pocket, it would be like this. Oh, it would be pretty hidden. You wouldn't see it. They have blue, which I got. It's more like a gray to me, blue gray. They have black grip scales, carbon fiber, and a green. This is the, like I said, recoil edition. There's another one that is a liner lock, which it would be right there. You'd close it. I was actually going to buy that one, but I ordered it. It was coming in, but they couldn't deliver. It took too long or something. They said they couldn't deliver it or something. So I ended up buying another cleaver style, which I'll show you in a second, kind of show you some comparisons. Said it's a artisan cutlery budget brand. It's a D2 steel. I guess it shows a serial number on these knives. That's weird. But yes, D2 blade. It says 6 ounces. Flipper. On Amazon, they got 4 out of 3 stars. And ceramic. Let's see. Ceramic drop shut bearings. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's show you some comparisons. This is the knife. I was going to originally get this one, but in the liner lock. Then they came out with the recoil. But before that, I bought this one. This is a CH Toucan. So I bought that one instead. And then, so you can see their similarities. Both of them are a cleaver style blade. I'm trying to get the glare off of here. There we go. Let me try that. Might be a little better. A little less glare on that blade. I'm going to try to. There we go. So there's that. So, and then I originally, a long time ago, not a year or so ago, I have the Gerber flat iron. So you can see all those. Gerber flat iron. And then I just recently got this. Got a lot of views on YouTube on the Camillus chunk. But you see, all these are they have the same design with like the blade shape. Of course, this one's small and it's tipped down only, but left or righty. So, but this one's $15 at Tractor Supply. So this one's anywhere from $29 to $42. But I have a flying titanium scale, copper scale put on it. So it originally was a aluminum scale. But it's liner lock. All these other 3 are liner locks. I think this one has a bearings. Of course, they put the Toucan away, so yeah. So this is a front flipper. But this is compared to 2 of these, they're the closest. This one is roughly about the same. The shape of the blade's a little different. I guess it's what you're just, but they both are kind of the sheep foot cleaver style. I mean, let's see what this one actually cost $30. Let's take a look at this. Well, I can't see. I'm trying. Anyways, but this one's $30. I don't know. These two I'd compare very, very close. This one was more $38. They both have D2, but this has that different style lock. So it's, you know, it's kind of more fidgety type. Ugh, shit! Did you hear that? I dinged D2 on D2, so hopefully I didn't scuff the blade up. Yeah, so there you go. So I would recommend buying either one of these ones. They're nice. This one, quite honestly, feels smoother. I don't know if you can hear it, but it just sounds. This one feels a little more durable. This one's good, but it's not as quiet. So, but let's see. They both drop shut. Maybe this one's a little more drop shut. All right. So that was the CJRB Recoil Lock Crag. So there you have it. If you like videos like this, and I'll be doing more, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. See you later. Bye.